Now we are going to discuss about half-wave rectifier. Rectification is the process of converting AC into DC. For that we are going to use diode. So one of the applications of the diode is converting AC into DC. First, we have a step-down transformer that is connected to, primary of it is connected to the 230 volts 50 Hz AC supply. So this is a step-down transformer. So maybe 230 bar 12 volts like that, 230 bar 12 volts, 230 bar 6 volts. So we don't want to have a very high voltage conversion. So we step down first. That means the property of the transformer is the voltage at the secondary is now very low voltage, but it does not alter the frequency. That is one important property of the transformer. So whatever frequency you are applying at the input, the same frequency will you will get at the output. So here you will get 12 volts 50 Hertz AC supply. That's all. Here you get only AC supply, not DC. So for that we connect a diode. I want a DC supply across this load RL. So then if you carefully note, when the top portion goes positive, the bottom portion goes to negative. So when this is positive, this end goes negative. So the diode will start conducting it because it is forward biased. Plus is connected here, negative is connected, so it is forward biased. So current starts flowing through this circuit like this. One way of understanding is you can replace the diode with ideal condition. That means when it is forward biased, forgetting about the internal voltage drop, you can assume these two ends as a short circuit. That means the current will start from positive and start going through the RL and then come back here. So the direction of current flow across the RL is this way. If I call this point as A and this point as B, the current direction is from A to B. Now we go for the second half cycle. So then for the second half cycle, what happens is this end becomes negative and this end becomes positive. And already we have a diode here. Now the diode is reverse bias. Why? Because P-type material is connected to negative and the N-type material is connected to positive. So the equivalent circuit for that diode won't conduct. Therefore, this can be replaced with a open circuit. Now the diode acts as an open circuit, so no current will flow through in this circuit. There is no current. So in this case, current flowing I equal to 0. No current will flow. That means from A to B or B to A, no current flow because you have an open circuit here. Because the diode is reverse biased. Okay. Now once again, the cycle changes from negative to positive because positive, negative, once again it goes to positive. So positive, once again negative. That means diode will act as a short circuit. Once again current flows from A to B. So now in this case we have ensured that current always from A to B. Current won't flow from B to A. So this confirms that the given AC signal has been converted into DC signal. But it is not pure DC, it is a pulsating DC. Now let us draw the waveform, how it looks. So we have positive cycle like this and the output. Output positive cycle is conducting, for the negative half cycle it is not conducting. It is 0. Once again you have positive cycle, therefore it starts conducting once again. So now if this is 0, this is time and this is some amplitude, say AM. This is AM. So now we see from the output in the at the input we see both polarity, that is positive and negative. Whereas in the output we see only positive polarity, there is no negative polarity. Of course, we are missing the efficiency is lost during the negative half cycle because we have not used the negative half cycle. So in this case we get DC, but the efficiency is very low. Thank you.